I'm Wes, and I have Allison helping me every week. I sure appreciate her. And so we did a hustle whip that was fairly with an inside turn, an outside turn, and that kind of stuff. And then in this 30 minutes, we graduated that a little bit. We did a hustle whip. We did a 1, 2, 3, and 4, stop, 5. I'm prepping her. I'm going to turn her under 6 and. My right hand is on the top of her shoulder, and I've stopped her shoulder right here with my hand. And I'm going to take my 2 middle fingers and I'm going to put them on the base of her neck. I now have perfected this prop, giving her a chance. Now she knows, not before this, but now she knows she has an opportunity to express to the music to make some kind of head motion using this prop and go under it. So she's going to hit 7. We chose 7 because it's an odd number, and hopefully you're hitting 1 or 5 or something on the odd beat music. And then, gentlemen, you're going to switch to 8. Take it over your head with your hand on her shoulder. Walk, anchor, step. So the whole thing will do each way. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Do one on the other side. Cool. Ready to go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and she'll step up 1. Nice to see you. Thank you so much. Thank you guys very, very much. Remember, take care of your bartender, your waitresses, because they're going to take care of us. We got some great music lined up. Thank you so much. Remember, call us here on Wednesdays at 7:30 for two-step. Then we do progressive on Fridays at 7:30. I do that, and I hope you have a blast. Thank you. Take care.